Race number 5. And the race is on. Color My World from the outside. Senior Bond Blushing Dreams. Moving up by Darrell Stowe the Mart. And brushing up is Galing Galing. It's now Toe the Mart, followed by Blushing Dream. Galing Galing is moving up by Darrell. And rushing up is Senior Bond under for the outside. Color My World. And rushing up is Good Humor alongside Silver Ridge under further outside Grand Homer Gross Income. She's gorgeous. And rounding the far turn to the Mart, then here comes Galing Galing and Senor Bono the further outside, and Blushing Dreams also moving up. Galing Galing, Senor Bono the outside, Blushing Dream is running in third as they raise the final corner. It's now the favorite Senor Bon by Hapalan. Galing Galing is running by Darrell. Blushing Dream on the outside. Senor Bon by Hapalan. Galing Galing is running by Darrell. Blushing Dream. Color My World. Grand Homer. And nearing the finish line, the favorite Senor Bon. Galing Galing. Blushing Dream. Color My World. Good Humor.